Hi there, I'm Jamie Clark. I'm here in Salt Lake City at the Mountain Hardwear booth with Greg Sweeney. Greg, what's your title officially?
National Sales Manager for Canada, Jamie.
Nice. And Greg, I know there's really some exciting things happening in Mountain Hardwear. What's going on? Tell me, what's got you excited?
Well, Jamie, it's a big year for us. With 2011, we're launching our new waterproof breathable technology, Dri-Q. As well, we've got a continuation of a new technology for us called OutDry. So really, two really important technologies that we really feel are going to benefit the consumer, certainly in Canada with the weather we get up in Canada.
Mm-hmm. Tell me quickly, what is it? You know, I've got a jacket or a closet full of jackets, hard shells from the past. Why should I leave those on my hanger and put your jacket in my backpack?
Well, I think the big thing, Jamie, is once you have a jacket, Dri-Q jacket on, and you go up, whether you're climbing or skinning up a mountain, the instant breathability, the instant performance of Dri-Q really separates it from everything else that's on the market in that, it is working at its maximum level right out of your pack. So you don't have to wait until it's, generating all that heat and humidity inside the jacket to start working. And I think that the benefit is, no matter what the condition is, you're going to be able to have that jacket on and be really comfortable so you can focus on the activity that you're doing.
That's a pretty, bold promise to, people who are fans of the brand and just outdoor enthusiasts, saying, "Hey, you're saying I would climb up in a soft shell and then I would descend in my hard shell because now the wind's picked up and I got to, use both." You're essentially saying I can lose one of those, a piece of gear, and that the Dri-Q covers it all for me.
Yeah, and I think the thing that I really like about it, Jamie, is that it's different. We're moving away from the pack, and I think that that's why this brand was started, 17 years ago. We want it to be different, but we want it to be different with a purpose. And I think the ultimate purpose is benefit the consumer, benefit the user that's out there, whether they're on a mountain or going up, going sideways. We have a purpose for what we're doing, and really it's to benefit that activity and benefit the performance.
Mm-hmm.